Hello everyone, Teacher Jonas here, and today we're going to learn a new science topic and you're going to love it. Okay, so let's see. As you remember, living things are, for example, humans, animals, and plants. Now, all living things need food to eat, right? So let's talk about humans and animals. As you know, there are many different types of animals. We have tiny animals like, I don't know, a little dragonfly. We have big animal like an elephant or a blue whale. So we have many different types of animals. Now, living things need three things to live. For example, we need food, water, and air to live. But guys, today we are going to talk about only food. Now, food is something we eat to get energy and grow. For example, you have to eat to get energy to play around, and also you have to eat to grow up and become bigger. For example, look at here. This baby has to eat and drink a lot and becomes big like this. And then has to drink and eat a lot again to become like this. So as you can see, we need to eat food to grow and also to get energy. Alright, so we need food for two things. To get energy and to grow. Energy, grow. Okay. Now, look at humans. We humans, like me, you, mommy, daddy, we like to eat meat. Meat, for example, sausage, fish, pork, chicken, shrimp. These are all meat. M-E-A-T. Meat. Now, we all eat meat, but we also eat plants. Plants, for example, we eat vegetables like carrots, eggplants, lettuce, and a lot more. And we also eat fruits like watermelon, avocado, apple, banana. So, humans like me and you, we eat meat and plants. We eat two things, both meats and plants. So, living things that eat meat and plants are called omnivore. Repeat after me. Omnivore. 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 Very good. One more time. Omnivore. Okay. Now, what is omnivore? As I said, omnivore things like humans can eat meat and plants. Okay? For example, humans are omnivores. So, let's see some other omnivore animals and creatures. Humans, we already know. Dogs. Dogs can eat plants and meat, but they like to eat meat more. Look at here. We got a cute piggy. Pigs like to eat vegetables, fruits, and they also like to eat meat too. So they can eat meat and plants. So we call them omnivore too. Next, we have a bear. Bears love to eat meat, but they also eat plants like fruits or some vegetables. They like to eat those too. Now, turtle or tortoise also like to eat plants and meat, just like humans. So they are omnivores. So let's look at these animals. We have rat, dog again, raccoon. These living things are omnivores. That means they like to eat meat and plants. Okay, so now I know about omnivores. What else do we have? We have living things that eat only meat, and we call them carnivores. Car, like car, vor. Okay, carnivore. Carnivore. Now, carnivore things can only eat meat. They will not eat plants. They only like to eat meat from chicken, let's say pork, beef. They like to eat meat like that. But they will not eat fruits, vegetables. They will not eat that. So carnivore animals only eat meat. Okay, now let's see what I mean. Let's see, meat can be all these things. Let's see some carnivore animals. So you can see that, for example, frogs only eat meat. Now, they get their meat from flies or other insects. So frogs are carnivore. Tiger. Tiger is also a carnivore. Snake. Snake loves to eat meat. So it's a carnivore. Next we have sea lion. We have sea lion and we have lion. They both love to eat meat. They are carnivore animals. And next we have owl. Owl is a bird. Owls love to eat meat also. So we call them carnivore. Carnivore. So remember, omnivore will eat meat and plants, but carnivore only eats meat. Okay, so let's see what's next. Next, we have this. Living things that eat only plants are called herbivores. Herbivores. Now, herbivore. Herbivore. Okay, so what does herbivore mean? Herbivore means that that animal or living thing likes to eat only plants. For example, vegetables, fruits, but they will not eat meat. So they will not eat any meat. They will not eat fish. They will not eat shrimp. They will not eat chicken or any other type of meat. They only eat plants. So we call them herbivore. Herbivore. Okay, so as I said, herbivores only eat plants, such as these. Now, I love plants. I like vegetables, I like fruits, but I also like meat. So I am not an herbivore. I am an omnivore, okay? But let's see some herbivore living things. Oh, look at here. Some monkeys like this one are herbivore, but not all monkeys, okay? Only this one. Kangaroo. Wow, kangaroos are very big and scary, but they only eat plants, so they are herbivore. Elephants. I love elephants. Elephants like to eat fruits, parts of trees, so they only eat plants, so they are herbivores. We have rabbit, hippo, horse. All these animals are herbivores. It means that they only eat plants. So let's see. Carnivore only eats meat. Cuttlefish, anteater, shark, penguin. Or we have herbivore, only eats plants. Rhino, deer, giraffe. Omnivore. Omnivores eat meat and plants. Monkey. As I told you, most monkeys eat fruits and vegetables and also meat. Oh, bear. Kiwi. Turtle. These are omnivores. Also human. Human is also an omnivore. So, cow. Cow likes to eat grass. Grass is a plant. Do cows eat meat? Nope. So, are cows omnivore, carnivore, or herbivore? Yes, they are herbivore. Very good. So, cows are herbivore. They only eat plants. What about eagle? Eagle eats small mammals, large insects. Oh, they even eat all these things. But they don't eat any plants. So eagles are carnivore. Great job. So eagles are carnivore. Very good. What about hamster? Hamster eats meat, insects, grass, plants, fruits, vegetables, seeds. It's just like humans. They like to eat meat and plants. So they are omnivore. Very good. Now, rhino. Rhinos like to eat all these things, but they're all plants. Do you see any meat? So rhinos are herbivore. Very good. Gorilla. Gorilla likes to eat meat, insects, fruits, and vegetables. So gorillas are, what are they? Omnivore, carnivore, herbivore. They are omnivore because they like to eat meat and plants. Omnivore. Yes, we are correct. Good job. What about kitten? So cute. Wait, they eat vegetables and plants, but they also eat meat. Kittens are omnivore too. Good job. Okay, so let's look at this picture. We see meat, we see plants. This is perfect for omnivores. Okay, guys, now let's play a little game. We have to connect the animals that are carnivore, herbivore, and omnivore to the right spot. So let's see. Let's look at the first one. Camels like to eat grass and a lot of different types of plants. So they only eat plants. So are they carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore? They are herbivore. Yeah! Now let's look at the next animal here. It's a jellyfish. Now, jellyfish like to eat plants and meat, like small fish. So, jellyfish likes to eat meat and plants. So, they are omnivore. Very good. Now, next one is very easy. It's bear. As I told you, bears like to eat meat and plants. So, they are omnivore too. Yay! Now let's look at the next one. Whale. Whales like to eat fish. They only eat meat from fish. They don't eat any plants. So they are carnivores. Yes. Okay, next one is vulture. Vultures like to eat meat such as rats, rabbits, and other type of animals. But they don't like to eat plants. So they only eat meat. They are carnivore. Next we have monkey. Monkey likes to eat plants, but they also like to eat meat. So they are omnivore. Yes. Next we have frog. As I said, frog likes to eat insects, flies, or other types of meat. So they are carnivore. Very good. Next we have lion. I don't need to say about this one. Lions love to eat meat. So since they like only meat and they don't eat plants, they are carnivores. Next we have zebra. Zebras like to eat plants. They don't eat meat. So they are herbivore. Very good. So they are herbivore. So let's see what's next. Next one is polar bear. Guys, polar bears are special. They live in the polar habitat and there are not much plants. So they have to eat meat. So they only eat meat. So they are different from bears, regular bears, because regular bears are omnivores. But polar bears eat only meat, so they are carnivores. Very good. Beavers like to eat plants. They like to eat fruits, vegetables, and other types of plants. But they don't eat meat, so we call them herbivore. Now we know that beavers are herbivores. Now what about seals? Now guys, seals are very cute, but they like to eat only meat. So they are carnivores. Okay, so now we see the animals that are carnivore, we see the animals that are herbivore, and we see the animals that are omnivore. So that's it for today's class. Okay guys, if you have any questions, you can always ask me. Now, until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye bye.